What's going on, traders? Pat here. Hey, just going to do my weekly review of how I'm doing and show you my results on my demo and my eval for the week. Today is Saturday, September 14th, 2024, and this is last week's results. Start off looking at the demo account. I ended the week right in this spot right here, and then I knew I would take pretty much one trade to push me over the 110 mark. And on Monday, I took a trade with one, two, three partials, and that pushed me right over 110. So I was pretty happy about that. And then the rest of the week, I took a couple small trades in the overnight, and then I took another one on Friday. Nice A plus setup on Friday that pushed the equity curve a little bit higher, and then got a little bit too happy and too greedy and too comfortable where I was at and started trading outside the model and took a loser and then took a break even. So that happens to me sometimes once I hit these levels, like you can see here, like I hit the 109 level and then, sold off. So what I really want to try and do is avoid selling off here or avoid taking losers from trading outside the model because I'm so happy that I got up to the level that I wanted. So we kind of started doing that here, but the idea then is just to calm down and, like I said before, review what the model is, and then only trade inside that model. Look for A plus setups. So that's kind of my plan going forward with the demo account. Pretty happy about this $110,000, or at least this $10,000 in equity. It's taken me, geez, 360, close to 375 trades to get there. And again, I do this because it shows that there's skill, and that was a nice little run up right there. So happy about that. Happy that I can read a chart, and happy that I can grow a demo equity curve. Now on the eval side, it was a little bit tough this week. Monday, we did this. So last week, we kind of moved up, and then bam. What was happening Monday? Monday was a little bit choppy in the AM session. I just got, I kind of lost my patience, and I was looking to short, and the market kept going higher, and I entered kind of an impulsive trade, and I looked to trade 5 micro contracts on it, which would have been fine. The risk would have been okay on it, but I accidentally took 5 minis, and that one blew the account. Normally, like if this were a live account or something like that, or a PA account or something, and I realized I'd taken 5 minis, I would close it right away. But then, I started thinking, well, what if it hits, and what if this or that? All like the gambling type mindset started setting in, and I didn't really have a plan for, like, if this happens, what should I do next? And so I kind of waited it out, and then the market went against me and blew the account. So not quite happy about that. In the future, I think if that happens on an eval even, and I realize the mistake, I just need to close the trade out no matter where it is. I mean, from here to there, I made up quite a bit of equity. I know there was a time where I might have been only like, 200, maybe $300 worth of drawdown that would have put me right here, and that would have been manageable. But this right here is not manageable, and it blows the account. That said, I opened up a new eval account and started trading it on Tuesday, and that's this right here. First trade I took was I tried taking a long. I accidentally pushed the sell button, realized I'd made a mistake, closed out, and then I saw another setup and I took a long on Tuesday, and that put me up 219 on the day. And then Wednesday, I found another nice long, got up to $453 in equity on this account. And then I think on Thursday, I took a break even trade. So pretty happy about this, these 1, 2 trades. What happens to me is that once I start growing the curve like this, I start to kind of baby the curve. I kind of like it, and I don't want to mess with it too much, so I don't trade it as much. The last 2 weeks, I probably traded this eval account more than I should. Whereas if you look at my demo account, I really only took a couple of trades. Like I took one or two good trades one week, and then I didn't do anything else. Then I took another, one, two trades, and then I didn't do anything else. Here, obviously, I did something through the week, but getting from here to here, there's really only maybe 3 trading days in there, and that's where I think the secret is because if you're sitting in front of the chart and you're feeling like you have to take a trade or you're itching to take a trade, then likely it's going to do this type of thing sideways. I mean, this was a tough sideways week that I made up on, and this week here I made it up, but a lot of up and down. Whereas if you just focus on the A plus setups a couple times a week, then the account can grow a little bit easier. So that's something I'm still trying to learn about, something I'm still trying to manage. But that's me. That's my story. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of thing, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.